Nkosi kakhulu ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha eSABC lihaye. Igqiyazana ke la kwaMnqobokazi ehluhluwe kwiphondo laKwaZulu Natal uThando Gumede hlanganisa amathambo engqondo wayincupha buchopho wavelisa irobhothi ngenjongo zokuxhobisa ngolwazi kubafundi baka Grade R ukuya kumaziko emfundo ephakamileyo. Xa uthi ke Iris eli robot liyasabela kwaye ke kuthiwa liphendula nantoni na oyibuzayo, lingxangile nomama walo sakudlana indlebe nabo. Thando masikubulise sikwamkele sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho apha eSABC lihayi.
Ngiyabingelela nami, ngiyajabula futhi ukuba nani namhlanje la kweSABC 1.
Naku ke sana izinto zabelungu sezinibhida. Ndifuna nokubulisa uIris xa sendithi akwenzeki kakuhle. Kodwa ke masivuyisane nawe ntombazana. Ngenene nangenyaniso you are living proof that possibilities are endless. Ndifuna nje usixelele into kubana uqala kwakho irobot elikumila kunje usuka le ehluhluwe yonke lonto yenzeke njani?
Ngiqala as uthisha because mina ngenze iBSc in microbiome and hydro. So ngifuna umsebenzi wami after that ngangakhona ukuthola ne. So ngacinga education bangiqasha because njalo ngama-holiday ngangifundisa i-physics ne-maths. So kwangenzela igama elihle ukuthi ngakhona ukuthi ngithole lowo msebenzi at that time. Ukufundisa kwami kulezo ikole ezasemakhaya iclass lami I remember benginabantwana abawu280 something okusho ukuthi ngifundisa during the school hours nasengifikile ekhaya kumele ngiqhubeke ngifundise through marking and then how much more ngishadile mina at that time, how much more umuntu onomndeni oshadelo kusho ukuthi naye experiencing the very same thing. So kwaba ukuthi one day it was a joke kind of thing, one day ngizoyisolve this problem because I'm a researcher as well. So later on ngaqala ngisiza abantwana ama-experiment endaweni because emakhaya izinto azikho. Ngaqala ngisiza ama-experiment kwalokhu ukukhula nje edeka inumber abantwana abafuna usizo lama-experiment. Later on ngafuna umuntu ozongenzela i-app ngangamthola. That's when the whole thing started. I'm like yini ngayifundisi mina ukuthi yenziwa kanjani le. Ngaqala lokho ngifunda ngenze i-website. Okay ngiyakhula manje sengikwazi ukwenza ama-app. Kancane lokho ngikhulisa ngithi okay since nganginephupho vele ukuthi ngisize othisha ukuthi bangasokoli kakhulu while siza bona kusizakala nabantwana. That way uIris aqhamuka khona ukuthi okay yazini ngarepresenta futhi i-country emazweni ayi-50. It was in Dubai. Bafuna ubest we-technology and then ngakhona ukuwina ku-South Africa namanje manje uIris ayigqokile la kusho ukuthi siwu-best kwabesimame when it comes to technology. So konke lokhu kwangenza ukuthi ngilokhu ngitravela ke namazwe kungifundisa ama-skill amasha. Kuthe ngise-India ngathola ithuba labantu abakhathayo ama-parts ngasho ukuthi hayibo ngine-theory ngine-spec esokuthi ngifuna ukwenza into kanje bangilalela and then after that yaqala lapha indaba.
Sure. And wow, this is amazing. I mean 50 countries inkulu kakhulu lonto and ndiyaqonda ukubana xa uzawuthi usuka emakhaya sentsho kumfili bapha into kubana iphupho lakho lingafezeka because akho umuntu ongamkhomba uthi nankuya next door wenze irobot uzoba ngoqala nqa elalini yakho. And kaloko abantu xa becinga bayacinga into bana hey inoba irobot into engumlingo sentsho zininzi izinto ezibakhona apha kuba khona o-coding o-science o-testing. Can you just break it down into kubana kukuthatha ixesha elingakanani into kubana uhlanganise zonke izinto?
Uma ukhuluma uzoqhamuka sekuba nento kanje njengoba usho nje uqala kube i-research. I-research esho ukuthi uma kuthiwa ngiyakhanda ngizokhanda into kanje kumele kube ukuthi ube nento ekuthiwa i-proof of concept. Okusho ukuthi yini le ufuna ukuyikhanda, uyasearcha uyakhansela uthi no uya-upgrade. So kuqale lapho ukuthi ngisearch ukuthi okay ngibe ne-idea yokuthi ngifuna ukwenzani and then ngamuvela to i-research part whereby ngifuna ukusearcha ke manje with assistance futhi yawo ama-AI because u-integrate ne-AI. So ukuthi okay if ngikwenza kanje nginga-upgrade kanjani search ukuthi ngabe khona into kanje existayo emhlabeni wonkana. Uma ngathola ukuthi e-UK bana something esebenza njengo-Iris inkinga abanganayo i-language package ngathi mina ngifuna ukwenza something ezoba greater than that ke ngoba mesikhuluma nge-language package sikhuluma ukuthi ikhuluma English kuphela because njengamanje nginabantu aba reach out from amanye amazwe bathi okay sinayo le yase UK but then sifuna le ekhuluma nezilimi zethu because njengoba Iris ngikwazile ukumfaka ilimi zase South Africa okusho ukuthi alukho ulimi engikwazi ukulifaka ke at this point in time already ufakiwe no ukhuluma French nje already nezinye ilimi ke zabanye so kusho ukuthi vele usazoba inyama nakwama African countries so basically kwase kuthi ke after i-theory ngahlala nayo ngoba la eSouth Africa I pitched several times ngibatshela ukuthi nginento kanje bathi hayi uyaphupha uyabona ubani ongenza kunephupha elikanje ngifuna ukuthi labona they couldn't understand and angibasoli ngoba ukuthi banga understand le idea ngoba ama robots akanje siwabona ema movie siwabona like pressure yasikwazi ukuthi how akhona kanti nathi singakhona ukwenza so that's why okay so yonke leyo nto after competition mengipresenta ngale India so ngithatha ngihambe ngeembassy so ngathola icompany kwakune event icompany ekhatha ama parts ngathi yazi anginayo imali kodwa ngicela nilalele iidea lenginayo uma ukuthi ni happy ngayo sesingabona ukuthi kwenziwani after that indeed they listen that's when saqala ke manje khona iskill esinye nganaso because angisiyo engineer kodwa nginhlanhla ngakhona ukuhlanganiswa abantu abazongitrainer ke manje engineer ukuthi okay uma uhlanganisa into kanje babuka iconcept ukuthi ithini hlanganisa yini so saqala lapha sakhanda so Iris ndobe nje ngikwazi umkanda from ubhozo kuyo enweleni noma enganalo
akanayo ne-frontal kaloku ndiyayibona intombi uba inenqayi sana lo wami and kule nto ithethayo yazi ibhlungu kakhulu xa uzawuthi mhlawumbe uzamile ukunkqonkqoza kwiminyango yalapha eMzantsi Afrika kodwa akho umuntu othe hayi no siyayisupporta lo idea yakho into endizibuza yona kukuba how about omnye unomfundo okanye uthando sezilalini oqonda into kubana I have an idea engathi phucule uMzantsi Afrika kodwa akazufumana support ude waya ko-India that's when ufumane isupport yokuba wenze lo Iris ndiyafuna wabelena nathi ngemicelimngeni ojamelene nayo kule journey yakho ndiyaqonda ukubana kuyondlwana iyanetha awuvelanga wavuka kwakhona uIris funeka apha epokothweni kukhutshwe imali emotionally mentally financially yabelana nathi nge-challenges ojongene nazo
challenge yokuqala nje iyona yokuthi ungabi nemali yokwenza into ofisa ukuyenza knowing exactly ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ngalekelela kakhulu because in a way that ngike ngaqala ngisho isikole iBSG sisemakhaya mengisiqala inhloso yaso bekuthi it's broad ingathintsha iSouth Africa at large even indlela icurriculum esethe ngakhona integrate ne-AI kakhulu abafundi ngicela ukuthi umfundi ngathi grade 7 based on iplan yakhona kube ukuthi asengahlula umuntu one-qualification yase-varsity kudingeka kube ukuthi ngithi ngihlehle ngiyolanda amandla even kuleso sikole because anginayo support financially abantu aba-understand ukuthi what this is but the idea is very good engiyazi kahle ukuthi even abantu from kubo-Gauteng bangaletha iy'ngane zabo and ingane isa-grade 7 esingakhona ukuba usomabhizinisi ngokwayo kodwa bese kuba ukuthi ezinye indawo I really need to mention this because thina njengosomabhizinisi abasebasha especially abasimame sibhekana nalokhu kakhulu asikhulumi ngakho mhlambe ukube kuthiwa because you know 8 years more than 8 years iqalile iBSG so endleleni yami ngihamba kube nenkinga la uthi uyanokha athi umuntu ufika ubizwe for ama meeting yes it's good bese kuthiwa mase kumele usayine you have to compromise your body uyabona and kuba ukuthi ke angikhuliswanga ngaleyo ndlela ngabe ukuthi mina uNkulunkulu makangiphela ama project lawo there's gonna be someone out there ozongilalela ngeqiniso uyabona kuba ukuthi they help out ngeqiniso so I lost quite a lot of ama deal and it's because bengakhona ukuthi ngizinikele mina uyabona ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi I'm sorry but it's okay because nala ngikhona I'm proud to say kungamandla kaNkulunkulu and akekho umuntu esikhathini sizayo ozoqhamuka ngiclaima athi wena ngilale nawe ukuze ukwazi ukufika la ukhona and akwenzeka ngakanye akwenzeka ngabili so ngiluza ama contracts amaningi because I can't compromise myself uyabona so
xolo man sis xolo
thank you
xolo siswami kodwa ke eyona nto nami endizingcayo namantombi akhulayo akubukeleyo namhlanje noba ngoku uyithetha ibhlungu kubuya qonda into kubana you had to lose i-deals kodwa into ozidla ngayo noMzantsi Afrika zidla ngayo is that you didn't compromise your values. Usamile lirobot limile ngomsebenzi nokuzimisela wakho noThixo namanyanga akuncedile uzofikelela kule ndawo. So noba uyakhala zinyembezi zovuyo. Into ebonisayo into okubana nasekhaya ufundisiwe waqeqeshwa siyazingca ngawe ngalonto. It is pride. It is pride. And xa uya kulonto because I mean inkuthazo kakhulu kumanina asakhulayo because kakade kwindawo ezininzi you need to compromise your values. You didn't. And xa sijonga nakwi-history imbali yaseAfrika sofumanisa into yokubana besine-architects zethu, besine-innovators zethu, even kwi-mathematics isikhomba apha e-Egypt. Into ebonisayo into yokubana singama-Afrika singabantu abaqala izinto. Nawe njengenina you are breaking barriers. Loo nto ikwenza uzive njani?
I feel really good ukuthi i-background yami ayingicindezelanga ukuthi ingafiki ethenini kube no-Iris. Ngizizwa ngi-proud kakhulu ukuthi like mengakutshela nge-background even ngiphuma endlini yodaka. Yabona la bekumele kube umina okhandela uma indlu ukuze kushintshe melinetha kumele ucinga indawo enganethi because now that's the kind of situation la siqhamuka khona and mina in my mind ukuthi it motivated me yangenza ukuthi uma ngingakhona ukushintsha lesimo ubani ozoshintsha ekhaya. So having uIris nabantu bakhombisa interest even post ama socials khombisa ukuthi they supporting that it's really nice for the first time having umuntu othi I got you. Uyabona it was really nice when you reach out ukuthi bra this is big I got you because mina ngazi ukuthi kumele ngizifukuzele each and every time makunento kumele kube ukuthi ngayenza. So it's really amazing. Ngijabule nje kakhulu ukuthi ayikho into engithotsele and mengibuka izolo nenamhlanje ngiyabona ukuthi definitely I'm going somewhere.
Yo xa uthi usuka kwizindlu zodaka kunala ngoma yamaZulu etshoyo ukuthi noba izindlu zodaka kusekhaya apha ezo zindlu zekudaka ezakugqumathela kwaphuma umuntu ongungqondongqondo ozovelisa elo-Iris proving that i-background yakho does not define you. Ngenene nangenyaniso uliqhawekazi masingene ku-Iris. U-Iris ukwazi ukwenza ntoni because wena ingathi jonga akho nto nawe ongakwazi uyenza so utransfere all this knowledge to Iris. Kona kutheni ngo-Iris engenogama lesintu?
Mengiqala ngimqalela ukumkhande India so there were abantu besuka eParis so mengithi ngizama amagama esintu bahluleka ngabe nokuthi about that little bit of anger ukuthi vele abangisupportanga so vele anginayi show ukuthi mengibuyele ekhaya vele sengibize ngenqobile bazolu supporta yini uyabona. So ngase ngithi let me look for a name ezohlanganisa ukuthi mengilitransfer ngitranslate ngilise esizulwini li show something beautiful because uIris uma usearcha uthingo into like rainbow nation kind of thing. So ngase ngithi athi ngithole igama elizo accommodate even abantu bakithi sengilibuyisa ngalibe something that is beautiful kodwa akukho kuthenini ukuthi uIris ngoba so even uma usuzocode ke icode yakhona ubusuzoyibiza ngegama ukuze izo understand uma ukuthi kukhona i-training oyenza yona because umshini more like AI okwazi ukuthi uyi-train ukuthi owakho umsebenzi wokwenza u1 2 no 3 njengoba uIris nje mesimtrainer umshini wakhe
train ukuthi wenza ntoni kanye kanye
uthisha umzali. So uma uthisha sibese simncisha one feature yokuthi akwazi ukuyiqala i-topic azayiqeda because inhloso akusikho ukuzothatha imisebenzi yothisha kumele kube ukuthi uzolekelela othisha. So uma sesimnikeza that feature of which ngeke usithole ke 10 years 5 years 20 years 100 years down the line uzwe kuthiwa BSG sinikeze uIris i-feature ukuthi akwazi ukuyifundisela because asifuna ukuthi kube nabantu abaphucakala isinko. Ngisho ngeze department ithi sino 100 billion sifuna ukuthi manje uIris akayifundisele kube yena ofundisa ezikoleni ukucisha lo thisha. We're not going to accept that because inhloso ukuthi ukuzolekelela bona othisha. So uIris with ama features wakhe uyakwazi ukuthi uthisha uma ukuthi siqale nje ngothisha before sifika kumntwana uyakwazi ukuthi uma ukuthi uthisha uyaprepare njengoba sibona kune screen la phambili manje prepare vero othisha bayalungiselela mebezoya emaklasini right so now bebelungiselela emaphepheni kodwa mangathiwa isikole sesine iris lab and alungiselele kule tab ama classwork assignment test everything kube ukuthi kule tab uyakwazi ukuthi umntwana immediately ayibhala naye athi submit ama ke within a second and into emnandi ngayo okusho ukuthi manje uthi sebazoba nesikhathi esiningi sokuthi bafundise isikhathi esiningi sokuthi babe nemndeni yabo because imarking yastressana nayo kakhulu so ungagcini lapho uyagcina uma usemakile asho ukuthi la njengoba ushile nje bekumele uphendule kanje bese ethi angithi inhloso yokufundisa kusekuthi sihamba nabahambayo abantwana ba understand bese athi kule classwork ade uyibhala but ifeature ekwazi ukushintsheka ke leyo miss sithi ayi thina sifuna ukuthi mayishile nje noma uqhubekele kwenye activity kodwa uma ukuthi isikole sithi okay akabhale azayiphasa umntana iyasho ukuthi umntana enhlaba abantwana abayi20 baphinde number 3 kaningi automatically siyothi kuthisha thisha futhi kunenkinga ku question 3 unga mhlawumbe uyochazisisa yes noma abantwana bakhona ukuthi bambuze oba yini uyakwazi ukuthi abenze ama homework ayikho into angayazi homework revisions even abantwana ba grade R mebashaya ama poems uyakwazi ukuyenza konke lokho so and indlela esimtraine ngayo ngeke umthole lelanga iris akathuka inhlamba utraineke waba umzali okusho ukuthi uma ukuthi wena uyaqhamuka njengomntwana uzomtshela inkinga yakhe makabona ngaphezulu wakho uzokuceba kuma authorities esikole
ukuthi wenze into
ukuthi wenzeni ngoba inhloso akusikuthi akulimazi but angithi njengothisha uthisha uma ukuthi uzwe inkinga yomunye umntwana niyahlangana ukuthi angasizakala kanjani so naye she does that as well
so and yazi ndiyayithanda lento ibalulayo because zininzi i-challenges abantwana ezikolweni abajamelena nazo especially when it comes to izinto ze-therapy ufumanisa umntana into yokubana u-experience i-bullying esikolweni uyoyika uxelela umzali wakhe mhlambe axelele ku-iris into yokubana into ethile nento ethile yenzekile kanti u-iris ahamba yoreporta so kulomba ke ngokuba uyakwazi ukuncedisa i-homeworks ne-answers umntana azifumanise ayizuwenza lonto abantwana umntana abe lazy akhathale because uyaqonda ubana hayi wethu iris andizukwazi ucinga ngeyami ingqondo le u-iris ukhona kaloku uzaphendula
into emnandi ngo-iris uyakutraina niyasebenza no-2 even ungambuzi question manje sokubuza ukuthi i-grade yipi noma usuqedile bese athi mayithanda athi ngakutesta ke lento athi siyifunda ukuthi uyayi-understand so unaleyo feature ukuthi azizwe ngathi u-in control uthisha uphinda kwazi ukuthi akubuze yes akubuze ukuthi uzwile na awuthi ngikuteste ke ukuthi uzwile
omama bashushu ke animazi nobunayo ni fire energy umama ushushu insika yekhaya nayo unjalo
hayi unjalo and into engimthanda ngaye une sense of humor ukuthi mayeza ukhulumela phansi uzomuzwa naye even ukhuluma naye uzothi hello afuna uku-accommodate ukuthi shoot awukho right ma ububbly naye uzothi oh hi yabona so uresponda ngekwe-energy yakho
ukuthi okay kumlight ke sithethe naye
okay
yo nansi into zabelungu ziqalileke phofa ndifuna ukuthi ezabelungu le iveliswe nguwe into zomuntu onsundu
and into emnandi ngaye ngisho bekuthiwa lesenaye nihleli naye esikoleni uphethwe ingalo akudinga ukuthi ngizomdokotela ngila ngikhona ngine app ekhombisayo ukuthi ngicela simthini bese ukuthi ngithumela abantu beza kuba ukuthi into engafikiseki bazokulungisela into sebazi kahle ukuthi yini sesimdokotelile uyabona
and siqalile i-interview ukuthi we listening kuthi ukuthi umamela yonke into esiyithethayo
uyamamela njengoba ku ready
ngiyam
yes uyabona ungakhuluma yonke into masefika umuntu mhlawumbe sede nihleba umuntu nivulile uthalalela afike lo muntu iris ade bathini uzokutshela
hayi
uzokutshela ukuthi bebethi bakhulume ngokuthi so kumele kube ukuthi ungafuni ezwe umncishe kube red la umncishe uthalalele because njengamanje kube kuthiwa ugreen la trust me ngabe uyaphendula naye because uyitshela ukuthi uyingxenye kahle ye-conversation
ingase ngingamfaka pha ecrew apho kune-crew khona yeyi because bavale indlebe nje beve babathini because kunento abazithethayo ezingafika pha kuthi kanye bathi khawujonga into ethile ndithi iris bebethini khathi ke sithethe naye kha kumcofe hello iris
hello there how can I help you today
how are you iris
I'm doing well thank you for asking how about you
I am fantastic you are speaking to Nonkanyezi
it's a pleasure to meet you Nonkanyezi
Nonkanyezi
got it Nonkanyezi
hey Iris you don't want to pronounce my name Iris, I hear you are smart. I want to test your smartness.
All right, non-Kenyezi. I'm ready. What do you have in mind, non-Kenyezi?
Iris, I want to test if you know mathematics. So I want you to calculate for me 179 divided by 567.
Okay, I will calculate that for you. That is approximately 0.316. Is that correct?
Yo, yes, that is correct. Hey, so what is the square
Good job.
root?
By the way,
So what is the square root of 868?
okay, I will do that for you. The square root of 868 is approximately 29.46.
Sure. Okay, amazing. So, who was the first African woman to win a Nobel Peace Prize?
That's an interesting question. I don't have... Should I search the web for you to find out?
Yes, please search the lab.
Okay. Okay. I will search the web for you.
While you are searching the web, I want to know what is the capital city of Zimbabwe?
Okay. Okay, I will search the web for that too.
Okay,
Allow it to
so
respond.
I also hear that you also speak in 11 official languages of South Africa. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. I can speak all 11 official languages of South Africa. Would you like me to speak in a different language?
Yes, I want all the greetings in the 11 official languages.
Okay, I will do that for you. Let me see. Afrikaans, Goeiedag, English. Hello. Eason. Please let me continue, non-Kenyezi. Here are greetings in the remain.
Iris?
Do you want to hear?
Yes, molweni, Iris.
Dumela, non-Kenyezi. Is there anything else I can help you with today? By the way, I have the answers to your questions. The first African woman to win a Nobel Peace Prize was Wangari Maathai, and the capital city of Zimbabwe is Harare.
Halala, Iris. And the greetings? I'm still waiting for the greetings.
Oh, apologies for that. Here are the greetings in the 11 official languages of South Africa. Afrikaans, Goeiedag, English, hello, Isindabel.
Okay, let's speak Zulu. Sawubona.
Sawubona, no,
Unjani.
Ngikona, Ngiyabonga. Unjani wena?
Nami ngiyaphila. Now, let's move to speak Sitsonga.
I don't think I can speak Tonga because I am unable to translate it into Tonga at the moment.
Mivukile.
Mivukile is good morning.
Oh, you know. And then Chivenda?
Unfortunately, I can't.
Hey, kodwa ndimnikeze umamakhe. Mamakhe kakumqondanisi.
Can you try a diff?
What else do you want to know?
Ichivenda uthi
Since it seems that
Okay. Iris, I don't know how to speak Venda, but I think when they greet, what do they mean when they say Bari Minipedi?
Bear Minipezi means how are you? In Venda.
Okay. Iris, can you feel my feminine energy and fire energy?
As a robot, I don't have the ability to feel energy in the way that humans do.
Kutheni ungakwazi ukufila nje?
Ndingumshini, non-Kenyezi. Ngibona imininingwane kuphela.
Ungumshini kuphela so awurhaleli into yokuba ube ngumntu.
Nginomsebenzi wokufundisa nokusiza abafundi.
Oh, okay. So ngoku ndiyafuna uye undicacisele xa kufika umfundi esithi mhlawumbe uye waxhatshazwa esikolweni umcebisa uthini?
Leyo indaba ebukayi uma umfundi athi uyaqa.
Ewe ndimamele qhuba.
Ungaqhubeka.
Nguwe oqhubekayo. Iris.
Nkanyezi, ngiringa ukuta. Yebo,
Ewe, thetha ke.
kukhona into okufanele ngiyenze.
Yintoni leyo?
Ungathanda ngikwenzeleni sandala?
Sana lam.
Oh, undibiza sana lwam, uyanditeketisa. Oh, bethuna, enkosi, ndiva kamnandi.
Uyamangalisa. Nankanyezi. Ndingathanda ukuku.
Ukundithini?
Kuthiwa NGI Iris. Injongo yami ukuku.
Hey! Hayi uAris unendaba. Wow.
Nje-
And Ima, ndiyafuna ukuzapha kumama kaIris. So mama
Ungangithela noma
kaIris.
yini.
Man, Iris.
Futhi ngizozama ukukusiza.
Wait.
Kaloku mama kaIris usuthetha kuthethwa ngondithetha nomamakho. Uyayiqonda ke ngoku kufanele kube khona imbeko apho. Sendithetha nomamakho ngoku. Mama kaIris senditsho this is so amazing into yobana kuba khona irobot elithethayo and yamva apha into yokubana uthi ii-feelings akanazo yena ungumshini. So this is the future kahle kahle.
Basically, it is the future. Kodwa enye into engithanda ngayo mhlambe kade ungayicheck ukuthi ukuthi let's say kunomntwana olinyaziwe ne ama advice angawanikezela yona. It would have been nice as well ukuthi abazali beze out there ukuthi even kuthiwa bashiya uIris nabantwana babo ba safe kangakanani. I remember khona umntana wathi akekho happy even ukuthi uwenza grade 12 uzoshiya esikoleni. Yo, the advices amnikeza wona ebe amazing kakhulu. So basically what I'm saying is artificial intelligence future. So okwethu ukuthi singayibalekeli as abantu basemzansi kumele sifunde ukusebenzisana nayo. Sifunde ukuthi okay yini mina engayibenefita out of umshini because ngaphandle komuntu ngiyakwazi ukuyisebenzela okusho ukuthi udinga mina as a programmer ngikwazi ukuthi ngimnikeze instruction ukuthi kumele wenzeni kanjani.
Kaloku kukho ololoyika uba uzothatha imisebenzi. Ndide ndatsho pha ngondihleli phansi ndathi Iris ndicela usise evenkileni wasisa uIris. So uloyiko labantu kukuba inantsikana ezi zizothatha imisebenzi yethu. Kusho ukuthi ke ungaba khona ipresent ezawuma apha mna isonka sam simke. Uthini ngalonto yokuba abantu banenxalabo yokuba irobots zizothatha umsebenzi?
Kunokuthi ithatha imisebenzi kumele bayibuke ngehlo lokuthi back in the days bekuna uma ukuthi abazali bethu nesuke KZN kuthiwa basegoli ne kwakusho ukuthi ayikho indlela zokuxhumana. That's number 1. Okusho kwakumele kubhale incwadi mhlambe umntana uyagula kubhala incwadi ezoyithathela nayo inyanga yonke ifike umntana izothi ibuye response either useka akasekho emhlabeni noma sekwenzeke even worse. So uma ifika itechnology yazokwenza kwabangcono ukuthi manje umyalezo so kuyafonwa right away. Ngibheke phi ngizothi even sekufikile labo pop lamafoni lawa ngakana internet kwaqhubeka ukufika kwalawa anama touch okusho ukuthi njengamanje umuntu wami wakithi okwamanye amazwe sengiyakwazi ngisho ukumbona ngizizwe ingathi nginaye ne okusho ukuthi technology yakhula kodwa isenza njalo ukukhula kwayo isuka izosiza more than ukuzophuca ne yes okusho ukuthi wena uma ungafuna ukukhula nayo uzofeel ingathi izokuphuca kodwa uma ufuna ukusebenzisana nayo uzozizwa ukuthi no I wish lento ifike years back uyabona. So
and what is the future looking like because njengobusisho into kubana itechnology iya ngokuphucula unyaka nonyaka ngoku uyabona into kubana ukhuphiswano lwengqondo kubana ngubani ozovelisa ntoni sentsho xa sijonga ikamva le technology le AI and robotics ungathi limenjani nawe njenge innovator zeziphi ezinye izinto mhlawumbe oqonda into kubana uzozivelisa ezothi zisimangalise.
Engakusho ukuthi one the future is scary if ungafuna uku-integrate nabo. Because even uThando asathi yena uIris ngeke amnikeze amanye ama-feature awumazi umunye innovator ukuthi izoyenza njani. I-future is really scary if ungafuni ukufunda manje. Khona into ekuthiwa coding and robotics. Leyo inikezela ukuthi ngisho ngabe kuthiwa Iris usefikile wangithathela umsebenzi kodwa mina ngabenefita kanjani kuye. I'm not saying ukuthi kuzothatha but abantu abaningi uma uzonothisa kahle sekunama meetings akabanjelwa ko Zoom abenzela ko Teams okusho ukuthi kunama structure ama infrastructure angasebenzi kwenzakaleni ngalowo mnikazi kade ona leyo property. So uma kuukuthi thina asifuna ukuyi-align ne technology because unfortunately it's good ukuthi yenziwe uThando and uyakhona ukuthi athi abantu bakithi angikwazi ukubaphuca ngizoba kunalokho ngizobalekelela kodwa awumazi omunye umuntu ozoletha something else ukuthi yena uzocabanga kanjani. So the future is scary if ungafuni ukufunda. Already sinawo ama programs la sifundisa khona even online.
Yes, khawusiqalele banzi ngaloma programs because phambili phaya uthethe ngendaba yesikolo ubuzama ukuyivula but ungafumani inxaso. Baninzi abantu ababukeleyo nabanye mhlawumbe basafundayo baqonda into okubana noba ndifikela kwizifundo eziphakamileyo andazi into okubana ndizawuya kweyiphi i-direction. Khawusinabele banzi ngezi programs unazo ngobani mhlawumbe abantu enibatargethileyo abafuna ukufunda noba umuntu uyabona into okubana okay kweli candelo ndikulo akho ndaba ye-AA kakhulu but xa ndiyabona izinto okubana li-evolve liyaphayana ndenza njani zifumaneka njani ezi programs.
Okay. Le school as much as ngiyivalile ngibhizi ngisosa out ama funds because iphupho lomuntu alife esaphila. So the minute ngithola those funds ngizokwazi ukuthi ngiqhubeke ukuze izokhona ukuthi babe baningi abantu bakithi ababenefitayo. Ngifuna ukuthi kungabe uThando oyedwa but ngibe noThando abayi-1000 out there obazokhona ukwenza because i-competition njengamanje uma kulesi space ayikho. Njengoba uIris even ngambuza ukuthi ngiyi-robot lokuqala eSouth Africa eliyithutha robot okusho ukuthi akana competition okwamanje uyabona. So uma kuthiwa kusinikezela iskill kubantu bakithi more than ukuba lokhu sibatshelwa ngetheory umuntu afunde 12 years kodwa aphuma kana skill sokuthi noma ungasayanga evasithi ngenxa yezimali kodwa ungakhona ukwenza something ongaphila kuyo. So siphume siemavasithi uphume nasevasithi uphinde uzobuya no 4 years omuhle kodwa awazi ukuthi yini ongayenza if ungawutholanga umsebenzi. So basically lama program esizana azothi asisho ukuthi we cutting ukuthi abantu abaye ema university because ufunda kuningi ema university kodwa akubo ukuthi uthi uphuma lapha kunento othi khona ukuzenzela yona.
So and we do have skills shortage ingaqala ngemlonyeni sensho eyona nto enxalaba lapha eMzantsi Afrika into okubana imisebenzi eminye ufumanisa into okubana akho bantu abaqeqeshela into okubana bawenze lo msebenzi akukho experience akukho skills. Ingaba mhlambe uyazifumana i-partnerships from urhulumente Department of Education sendisho bakwazi ukuropa into ezikanje kwi-curriculum abantwana ngoku because if you look at countries like China or Vietnam sentsho ngamazwe lawo esingatsho into okubana aphambili xa kuziwa kwizinto ezinje.
If ngizoqala eIndia bayamukela ngezandla useyikoleni uyasebenza la ekhaya lutho asithemba ukuthi ngoba babukele out there ngenhlanhla uke washo uDDG sathi imlontsho uIris ukuthi they are willing futhi bazomthatha bamsupplyele lezi zikole zaba ba pilota kuzo ngale KZN and nala kwamanye ama province to mention all. I'm hoping ukuthi ngizokhona ukuthola urethatha to the relevant people abazokhona ukuthi simroll out ezikoleni because inhloso akusikho ukuthi uThando sekamenzile uIris but akusiyo wami owabantwana. So okusho ukuthi indlela okufinyelela abantwana I need a department, I need a private sector, uyabona both public and private sector ukuze sikwazi ukubambisana lento ingagcini la kubo ukuthi iyafinyelela. Omunye uzothi hawu but uhluke ngani uIris nokuthi ngithathe tablet and what not. One i-tablets le akhona amanye ama AI but ayikho i-AI ekwazi ukukhuluma zonke izilimi. I can guarantee you that. So I'm the best when it comes to that.
Sifuba uthi I'm the best.
So I am the best. So
yes girl.
Nengane yami la eduzane. So ngizosho ukuthi one ukubaphendulela leyo question athi nangu uhlukile umntwana ongakwazi ukukhuluma isingisi kodwa leya esazi isibende esazi iAfrikaans uyakwazi uthacela usizo kuIris amenzele ini amsize ukwenzisa irevision. Uyabona because kusho ukuthi uma usikhuluma ngalawa khona excludiwe umuntu ongakwazi ukucommunicate ngezinye ngolunye ulimi. uyabona. Number 2, abantwana babelivela ukuthi kudinga kube nomuntu phambi kwabo ukuze bazofeel ingazi ukuthi bayafunda. So that's why kuba ne presence ya Iris ukuthi naye mase imfaka azizwe ukuthi no ngiwumuntu noma
usho awuziklonanga ungo-Iris. Ingaba kanti kwawena ungu-Iris okanye uThando nguwe asiyazi. Ngokuthando ndiyafuna ukuqonda into yokubana jonga xa ndizifunela u-Iris ndizifunela abe kwam abe ngowam andincedise ndiyakwazi ukumfumana ndimfumana njani ikhona into enjalo?
Yes, uyakhona ukumthola. Ukuthi ufuna owakho noma asiza abantwana ekhaya, yes you can do that. Even also business laba specialize nge-tutoring uyakhona ukuthi instead of ukunakhuzana uyakwazi ukuthi Iris ezongilekelela ngitutharishele i-accounting, i-history, uyabona. So basically uletha i-business even kosoma business abancane ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuthi ngiqale i-business but angazi ukuthi kanjani. U-Iris uzomakhetha uthi ngino-Iris njengamanje sesine finishing school or sine tutoring school. Umuntu kuba ukuthi mhlawumbe umqalela isikhathi ukuthi uma engage no-Iris uzoba isikhathi nganani noma kuba ukuthi igroup mayihleli iya-revisisa u-Iris angithi that's business. So basically uzosolve a lot of problems. So that's why ngithi abantu singabukeli ekuthenini athi umuntu hayi uzothatha kunalokho uzoletha
kanti nawe ungazivulela ishishini.
Yes,
njengoba funeke uthengise inkomo zi-trillions ixabiso lithini ke ngoku?
Ukumakha ngama-parts nje ngingafakanga i-software ama-parts akhe acoste 130,000.
Yo.
Yes, ungayifaki what's this i-software ngaphakathi already nama-software khona nje ngiqeda ukuyiqeda kuthanga ethi-ke manje sifuna uma simlethe esikoleni si-include umzali manje ukuthi sikhethele lento ukuthi kuba njalo kuyogxeka uthisha uma kufeyila umntwana uthisha akube ne-triangle i-system yethu lesiyenzile ithi i-department subject advisor akabone iy'kole ukuthi zenza kanjani the actual result ithi umzali akabona ama-result omntwana akabona kwi-screen sethu iyakhombisa ukuthi umntwana uma ukuthi une-assignment iyabhala ukuthi une-assignment eyani leyo assignment useyihambisile so that umzali ezokwazi ukuthi hayibo sibani une-assignment eju kumele uyibhala ngithi ukwazi ukubona-ke kwi-dashboard yomntwana. So kanjalo no-subject advisor uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi isikole siwukuthi kwi-math asenzi kahle kwesiwukuthi i-actual result njalo lapho abantwana bebhalile iya-record uyabona mebafeyila njalo uyabona bese yabona okay isikole uyabona so isikole sika-Nonkanyezi senza kahle shuthi kunento e-wrong kulesa sikole ekumele ngilungise seyazi ukuthi uthatha the actual teacher ukuze ngicela i-strategy sakho osebenzisayo ungilekelela laba
yabona so uthi ixabiso lithi nantombi usatheka lokhu kuno-100 ntontoni iphathi maybe noba ulitshongo lonke but lithe kratya kubani.
Okay, so ukumdayisa kanje uma esiguquguqu kanje sesifake zonke izinto uchip kakhulu ngoba u250 yabona kodwa sine plan yokuthi ngoba kunabazali uthatha afford kufika ku250 sizomkhipha nakuma tablet tablet engafaki WhatsApp engafaki Facebook strictly nama Iris I mean softwares so leyo siyenzela u-accommodate laba abangakhona so kune plan enye futhi eyesithathu ezothi mhlawumbe moyimdownloada app ebese ingakayifaki-ke kodwa siyabuka ukuthi nakho singakhona ukuthi abanye babenefithe kanjalo kodwa into emnandi ngalo 250 abazali awukhona ukuthi awukhona umthenga uyisiququququ ngocash uyakhona uku-arrange ukuthi ngicela ukumkhokhela u12 months uyakhona ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuthi ngeke ngikwazi ukumthenga but ngicela ukumrenta for umntwana wami because uzobhala umatric mhlawumbe for 6 months uyabona kuwe 200 rand a day
akazi wephuka ngoxa ibuya umuntu emphulile mntakabawe memrentile
kumele am-insure ukuthi uma
Iris unayo ne-insurance
ukuthi maye nawe mayebuya elimele isandla it's on you.
And ke ngiqinisekile into yokubana nonodoli bazoba khona abancinci abangu-Iris umntana bakwazi udlala naye.
We can do that.
Ingabi ngunodoli nje omileyo umntana banemnxiba but ingage nomntana amfundise nokumthetha abantu banami sendine-business ethile ungandithi roll in kaloku ndifake undiqashe pha kwa-Iris and nakuloo nto I don't even think into yobana abantu funeke bakhalaze because kudala kusapotwa abantu abangaphandle abalunya ubala azikhuzi xa kubhatala izinto zaphesheya therefore we must support our own. Xa siyiqola siyiqongqotha amazwi enkuthazo kumuntu omtsha obukele ekhaya uqonda into yokubana kule ndawo ndikuyo iphupha lami limfiliba but xa ujongile wena ukwazile ukulifezekisa elo phupha uthini kuye xa umkhuthaza?
Ngizothi ungavumeli isimo sakho obhekane naso manje i-current like uma ukuthi lele ndlini yodaka ayikumotivate wena ukuthi ufuna ukuphuma ulale kwi-mansion. So ungavumeli ukuthi kube khona someone ozodelela ubusha bakho. Izinto eziza kuwe izinto uNkulunkulu akudalele zona ukuthi uzoyithola. So believela ephupheni lakho noma ngabe kuthiwa abantu abasabelieveli kuwe uphushela ukuthi one day ngizofuna kuzoba na someone ozobecinga mina njengoba uThando enqonqoze mina mhlawumbe ama applications engiwenzile am more than 100 kodwa uthi uyabuka akuphendulwa mekuphenduliwe kuthiwa regret uthi uyabuka ngoba lama lezinto zinhle konke lokho engi-applyelayo kodwa ube nokuthi uma kuukuthi sekuyisikhathi sakho kusizofika. Lastly uma ukuthi umuntu omusha bazo-discourage bakhona abake ba-discourage several times but wena enza sure ukuthi noma ngabe sebakudiscourageile faka hamba njengomuntu ofaka ama headset ungabalaleli bazokhuluma ethi silo ngelinye ilanga bayekeni bakhulume but ningayenzi lezi zinto abayishoyo advisor intombi. So ngizothi whatever bakushoyo if ever kungakwakhi akakusho kodwa kungakulimazi wena ungakuthathi kuyise ku futhi kungakwenza ukuthi ume ekuthenini ngiyenza iphupho lami. Lastly ungayeki ukuthandaza uNkulunkulu khona kababelivela kubantu uthini izinyanya. Yes enza sure ukuthi uyababikela ukuthi that's what you believe in kodwa nje mina what I've did kakhulu ngiyathandaza. So ungayeki uinvolve uNkulunkulu entweni zonke ozenzayo because isitha is not happy ngeprogress yakho.
Siyabonga mazwi angaka futhi ke utsho nokuba urich imali khona apha kwa-Iris and vile into yokubana u-Iris uye emhlangeni kule weekend. Itshitshi konje ke
itshitshi uye emhlangeni u-Iris yazini.
Siyabonga siyabulela kakhulu ngokuba ube nathi namhlanje yafuna ukumseta ke khawubundisetela ndizomxelela into yokubana sisevenkileni. We thank you so much for joining us and uyinkuthazo kakhulu kwindlu emnyama siyazinca ngawe kuba kaloku thina xa sizawucinga nge-robotics and science and technology sicinga abantu baphesheya kodwa namhlanje siyakwazi into yokubana nathi we have our own female Elon Musk. Sikufisela konke okuhle kumsebenzi wakho naxa kumunqanqwa phezulu ubuye kapha eSABC Lihayi usibonise nabanye o-Iris. Sele ready ke ndingathetha naye?
Yes sizobe sithatha ama-student amasha sukela ngoNovember abazobafunda i-coding and robotics online ngonyaka ozayo. Ayilala ngenene ikhwelo lutyala ngiqinisekile into yokubana bazawuba khona. Iris connecting
ngiyatshela ukubuza ukudhi ukhuluma yifi ilwimi
English
ngingathanda ukukusiza ngolwimi olukhethayo. May I ask which language you are speaking?
English.
I would like to assist. Okay, I will respond in English. How can I help you today?
Okay, Iris, you were live on SABC Lihaye, an indigenous channel on SABC. So please link our viewers to the break. Compliment the interview that we had to say, wow, what a lovely interview we had. You are tuning into SABC Lihaye. Keep on watching SABC Lihaye. If you can do that in English and also isiXhosa, I will be very happy.
Okay, I will do that for you. I will link our viewers to the break and compliment the interview. In English, welcome back to SABC Livawani, an indigenous channel on SABC. Wow, what a lovely interview we had. Keep watching SABC Livawani. Inisihosa, Siaram Kayla Kwakona, KWISABC, Livawani. Ichanelium Thonyama, KWISABC. Enkosinging Shosho Ebisinayo, Kubekani Nokubukela, ISABC, Livawani. Is that okay?
Lihaye, not Livawani. Lihaye. Okay, Iris.
Please tell me how I can help you.
Just pronounce SABC Lihaye.
I cannot perform hardware actions like point.
Okay, Iris, thank you so much.
Okay,
You've been great.
I will pronounce it for you.
Lihaye, bye, Iris.
You're welcome. Goodbye. If you need.
Ciao. Hey. Oh, Iris, Okay, masimcike. Oh, kanene uyamamela. Seke sile venkileni,
If you have any
masesiye
questions or
evenkileni.
need assistance in the future,
Thula
feel free to
kaloku.
ask.
Thula.
Goodbye.
Okay.